Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, me and old G-Dog, we're going after some fish today. He's over there. We're on the river again. It's going to be a crazy day. The water's really high. It's ripping out of here. But from what I hear, when it's fast current, you can catch a few white bass and some walleye. So that's what we're going to be trying for today. Anything's possible. There's 1,000 different species in here. So wish us luck. Hopefully we get after a few. We're going to be trying some swim baits and then also some lipless crankbaits. Those are pretty much the two things I have a lot of luck with. So we'll see what happens, and hopefully we get into something. There's a nice fish. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Yes. There we go. I make it look easy. I'm somewhat of a professional. I'm just kidding. It's luck. First white bass or small wiper. First fish of the day. Going right back down on that wall. There's one. Oh, damn. There we go. Hooked up. Another nice fish coming in quick. Looks like a big ass shad. Holy smoky. That's a beefcake. What a jumbo. There's one. Another nice white bass. Very cool. That makes number 3 for today. Another beautiful fish. Hey, just be careful because there's big fish up here. Since the water's up, that could be a wiper. I'm gonna guess by the way it's bouncing, it's probably not, but it very well could be. G-Dog hooked up with a monster. You coming in at all? Oh my God, Garrett. That's a big fish. Slime, I'm gonna guess Asian carp. Oh yeah, that's a good carp right there. Oh my.
God damn it, all that work for that?
At least it wasn't a wiper. There's one. Good one. Oh, no, it's not. I thought that was a white bass. What kind of carp hits this thing in the mouth? What is this?
It's a buffalo carp.
Is that what that is? That's weird. He would take it in the mouth. Another carp. What a day on the river. No need to kill them. They're not tearing up the waters like the Asian carp. Yep, these boots, not waterproof. Used to be. No longer. Spoonbill! Loose drag, not tight, don't horse it, he'll just pop right off. That is an awesome fish, man. This is gonna be tough to get. I'm gonna try to get him from the tail.
Left, left, left.
Where you at? Dude, you barely had him. Oh, you got him? G-Dog with the swamp donkey. 1% battery. All right, man, go ahead and release him. That's an awesome fish. It's probably pushing 3.5, 4 feet long. You want to get him back? Set him down nice and easy. Just give him a second. He'll probably kick off. There he goes. I was gonna try to just net it from the back and grab his nose.
Those things are so long.
Yeah, because I didn't think he would fold enough to fit in the net. There's one. Feels like a good fish. Nice white bass. Another little white bass right down the wall. That's number 3, but caught 4 now, so another good fish. It's a really small pearl swim bait. It's my last one. I might have like a couple in there, but they're ripped. There's one. That's a nice fish. Oh yeah, coming in quick. Heads up, I'm gonna swing him. Oh, the white bass are back. Another incredible white bass. That was by far the biggest one of the day. That's a solid fish, man. I want you to get bigger, and I want you to produce a lot more of you. I'm not really here for dinner. I'm here to catch lots of fish, so I'm gonna let him go for now. Are you way up there? G-Dog's hooked up with a big one. You're still out there a bit. Another carp. Well guys, thanks for watching. It was a lot of fun to make. Garrett just had a good hit. We caught some white bass off the wall, which is really cool, and that spoonbill that he got was incredible. So this is the first time I've been out here in like 15 times that you know, I could have probably taken a nice string of fish home. So it's a good time out here. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on the river. It's a lot of fun to make. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on another episode. Peace y'all.